it this way. Anybody know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go with probably not. It doesn't make sense, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're prepared to see why I look like a doll today. Today, we are trying TikTok hacks. Makeup hacks that TikTok people made look so easy and so good. I will let you know how I feel, whether I think it's actually worth it to try these hacks or actually do these hacks. If you like tutorials, reviews, hauls, please don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. Okay, so to start the video off, I do want to say I have not tried any of these hacks before. I don't know if they're actually good, if they're not. So the first one I'm going to show you, this one is a little bit older, but I've been dying to try it. I saw it on Laura Lee's TikTok page. I don't think she created it, so I'm just going to show you that one. Okay, so basically what she does is she kind of does everything backwards. She takes her moisturizer first, then puts on her powder, which is questionable, and then puts on her primer. No, then she sets her face, then she puts on her primer, then she puts on her foundation. So, I mean, that is questionable, but her face looked bomb. So I need to try this. That's what that means. I'm gonna start off with my moisturizer. So I'm gonna do that first. I've never done this before. Never even thought to be like, hey, let me put my moisturizer on and then my powder. Who came up with that? I mean, it's a good idea because her face looked absolutely stunning. But, you know, what are you gonna do? Let's try it. That's what we're here for, right? Let's try these hacks. Let's do them. So now I'm gonna take my Beauty Bakery Flour translucent powder and I'm just going to take a brush and I'm gonna just apply generously because it looks like that's what people were doing. I don't know if this is gonna make it like matte. I wonder how that looks. So now that we have the powder on, I'm gonna take my Morphe Luminous setting spray and I'm going to set my face. It says to let it dry, so we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, so now we are sticky? Okay, anyway. Now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier Illuminating Primer. I love this primer. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know why. I don't know what today made me think like, hey, let me use it. My face looks illuminated, that's for sure. So now we're gonna take foundation and I'm gonna use the Ultra HD foundation from Makeup Forever. This better look nice, so I'm gonna be sad. Like, I've been seeing all these hacks everywhere and I was like, you know what? As soon as I find enough, I have to do a video because seeing people do them, I'm like, this has to be good. Because is it like people are just doing them and then like switching the screen and then like, who knows? Like, they're not actually great. Like, I don't know. So I need to know. Like, that is why we are deciding to experiment today. It looks smooth, like it went on very smooth. I don't know if that's, I don't know. So this is what my skin looks like. It looks really smooth. Like, I wasn't expecting how smooth it looks. I mean, normally my skin looks pretty smooth because I don't really have like crazy pores or anything. I mean, I'm having some bad breakouts currently today, but my skin looks very smooth. Okay, I'm okay with this hack. This hack is doing it for me right now. Next hack we have is, let's find it. Basically what she's doing is she's like majorly contouring and like concealing in certain areas to like really lift her face. I want this, so I'm gonna do this. Who doesn't want to look that snatched? So let's do it. So we're gonna start with a light concealer, which I have. We're gonna put it in the corner of the eye. Then she takes a chunk and puts it over here. I don't know if I should have done the rest of my makeup first maybe, but we'll have to just touch her up later. Then we're gonna put here, then under the lip, and okay. Hold on, I have to play it one more time. I'm lost. Okay, why? This is complicated. This is a lot of work. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, I'm scared of this one. I don't know how this is gonna work. No, this is gonna be a disaster. Do you know how pigmented this Rare Beauty thing is? Okay. No, son of a... So she does the concealer first, which we can do. I don't feel snatched. I don't think I like this. Anyone feel like this is a little crazy? Okay, so just keep blending. I'm afraid for up here, actually. Blend, blend, blend. Just keep blending. Oh my God. Okay, it's okay. Anyway, moving on. Look at this girl. So basically she took a chapstick, she dipped it in her shimmer, and she put on her eye. So we're going to do that. I'm sure it's gonna work because that like kind of makes sense. So anyway, I'm gonna go into the Natasha Mini Zendo palette that I have here. And I wanna use this like color over here. I'm gonna take my chapstick that is scent free and whatnot. Got it from my dentist. So we're just gonna, okay, I don't know about that. Oh, I mean, we kind of thought this was gonna work anyway, so whatever, but that's kind of cool. Look at that. It's another way to make your shimmers like super shimmery. That's an upside, right? That was easy also. I mean, I don't know if I'd per se want to put chapstick on my eye every day, but that is beauty. It's very vibrant. Okay, chapstick's where it's at, obviously. So that is a good one. I like that one. Next, I'm also questioning this one as well. So basically what she did was she drew a line, then connected her lash to the wing, to the middle of her eye, which is outside of her eye, which is so like foreign to me. I'm down to try, so let's do it. So I'm gonna take my liner and I'm gonna draw a line. I'm scared of this. I don't know. I hate this already. I need scissors. Thank y'all. I'm so nervous for this. Okay, let's do it. Pass me that.
You pointed to a bunch of makeup.
The glue right there.
You pointed to like a bunch of makeup.
Fudge. Okay, this is the worst hack. This doesn't make sense. I think my eyes are too round for this. I don't like that, but okay. I just don't think this is for me. I don't like this one. This looks crazy. I look like a cartoon.
You look like a Bratz doll.
I do look like a Bratz doll. I don't know what happened here. This is, maybe I used the wrong lashes, but I just find it won't stick to my eyelid here. Okay, not to say I look like a Bratz doll, but I look like a Bratz doll. I look like a cartoon. I don't know if I did it wrong. Maybe I used the wrong lashes, but this is nuts. But if this works for you, you should do it. This to me, I'm scared. Moving on. Basically, what she did was just put a Q-tip between her lips and she applied her lipstick. I don't know, I kind of feel like this is a little pointless, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's just so that you don't have to get the corners, but I feel like I like to do the corners, so we'll find out. Okay, I don't like this already. This is crazy! Why? I don't like this. But now, we're missing the corner. Is this so you don't do the corners? I'm sorry, y'all, I had to. If you're somebody who doesn't have the, like, I don't want to say coordination because I look like a doll. Anyway, if you have issues applying your lipstick, this is probably a good idea for you if you get a little messy in the corners sometimes. This is probably a good one for you, but if you like to do your corners and you don't need the extra help, you probably don't need to do this, but it does look nice. At least it like shapes out your lips for you really nicely. So I would love to know what you guys think of this look. Honestly, on camera, my face, like my skin, it looks really good. So I mean, it just looks like I have a lot of makeup on. I mean, I can see the appeal here, but I also feel like I look like a doll and maybe this doesn't work for my eye shape. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna stick to the old way of doing my lashes with my wing liner and just, you know, draw my wing up and go for it. But I also, if you are gonna try this hack, my one piece of advice is maybe don't fill in the liner afterwards. Do your whole wing first and then put the lashes on because it's a little bit more difficult to like flip between the eye and the lashes and like, it's a bit much in my personal opinion. But if you like videos like this and you want to see more like this, or you saw a hack that you like, you should send me the link. I would love to try new ones and different things. Or if you see, I don't know, anything you want me to try, I would love to try it. So if you like videos like this and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And as always, guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.